Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the latest buzz around Apple's highly anticipated iPhone 16 series. If history is any indicator, we can expect Apple to unveil their new iPhones in the first couple of weeks of September. They've stuck to this September schedule for over a decade, with the only exception being the iPhone 12 event in October 2020, which was delayed due to the pandemic. Now, even though Apple is pretty good at keeping their new gadgets under wraps, as we inch closer to the rumored announcement, a few leaks are starting to trickle in, giving us a glimpse of what to expect. Remember last year's iPhone 15? It introduced some cool new features like a matte glass finish, more rounded edges, and the dynamic island on the base model. The iPhone 15 Pro even used titanium for the first time, making it lighter and more comfortable to hold compared to the sharper flat edges we saw since the iPhone 12. Fast forward to now, tech reviewer and reliable Apple leaker Sonny Dixon has posted some intriguing images on X that claim to show off the designs of the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro. If these images are the real deal, we're in for some exciting changes. Take a look at these 5 alleged iPhone 16 models in different colors. These leaks are often of prototype devices or dummy models that represent the final design and dimensions. One noticeable change is the vertically stacked dual cameras, a look that harks back to the iPhone X and continued until the iPhone 12. Since the iPhone 13, Apple has been arranging the cameras diagonally. It seems like Apple likes to make one clear design change each year to entice us to upgrade our handsets. And if the colors in these leaks are accurate, the iPhone 16 might bring back the solid color options from earlier years, moving away from the pale pastel tones of the iPhone 15 range. As for the iPhone 16 Pro, it looks like there won't be as many changes. The white and titanium models look quite similar to the iPhone 15 Pro Max, although the black one in the middle appears to be a much darker tone than we've seen before on a Pro model. But as always, take these leaks with a pinch of salt. The camera module and general design might be more accurate than the color options. Famed Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo has reported that the iPhone 16 Pro will come in natural white and black titanium, with a rose titanium replacing the current blue hue of the 15 Pro range. Meanwhile, the regular iPhone 16 and 16 Plus are expected to come in black, green, pink, blue, and white, which matches Dixon's leak. So, what do you think of these potential changes? Are you excited about the iPhone 16? Let me know in the comments below.